In this video, we'll be talking about if the fragrances on TikTok shop real or are they scam or are they legit. So in here you can see your TikTok shop fragrances. So right now they're actually on the Philippine peso currency and you can see them. So when you search for fragrances on your TikTok shop, you can see some fragrances that are actually not branded. So we have in here this bestsellers, this meow, this eros, this sweet night, and as you can see, they are actually not that popular. So if you're looking for a fragrance, and you can also see the price right here. So this 68.36 is equivalent to around $1.2, which if you can expect on the price is actually not long lasting. However, it's definitely legit that you will become fragrant when you wear this. So, for example, if you're looking for a branded perfume, like for example Victoria's Secret or Dior, you can also find them on your TikTok shop. Like for example, this balayage, and you can see in here this vanilla lace of Victoria's Secret, and you can see in here the price, which means that it's just a mist and it's not long lasting and it's not the real deal. However, if you're actually looking for just a mist of at the moment fragrance, then this is for you. So I hope this answered your questions and I hope this video helped you